these. I will pour more. What is this called? Buldak? I don't know. But normally you just boil them like oodles and noodles. You boil it, you put like the powder and sauce that it comes with. I decided to cut up some chicken, put some peppers, and yeah, make it our own way. But I did taste it yesterday and it was spicy. So I'm just gonna use the flavor from the packet, and I'm gonna give everybody their spice individually so they can control their spice temp. Listen here. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm waiting for the water to get the boiling while we are cooking it. Smoke. Yeah. Everybody's there watching TV, waiting for the food, of course. Yeah. Very easy meal to do. Sometimes when you don't feel like cooking big, you just put your own little flavor on it. Get you some chicken, shrimp, steak, whatever. Saute it, cook it up, make your noodles, throw it in there, mix it up, and there you go. You made your own simple, spicy ramen by Buldak. Looks like actually they look like the same like ramen, but just thicker and a little bit bigger. Powder, and this is the spice.
You pour all the water out of it, right?
Excuse me?
When you drain it. I'm just asking. I don't like any water in mine. I like it like a lo mein.
But that's how when you take it up with a fork, that's how, if there is water, a little water left over from, in order for you to have water, you have to pour it into your cup, your bowl.
Okay,
She's not cooking. I don't care. Trust the process.
So guys, look at the noodles. They look so good, right?
This one's already getting loose.
Hi guys. Look at my mom cooking. Look.
Doesn't this look like curly hair? Color 613. The blonde hair. So the noodles are softening. And then we're going to take it and put it in here. As that's done.
Is this the hottest thing you ever made? Hell yeah. Oh, good. How was it? If you ain't another one right now to save your life, would you? Yeah. If you had to eat 5 more to save your life, would you? Why you spend this stuff up? God can't swallow it because it's hot. My mouth hot to you.
It was Buldak, right?
It's spicy.
Oh, God.
What it smell like?
That tastes good. That tastes good. So like I said, everybody will be able to have their own. Well, this time I came out, I put a little bit where you see little dark spots, but with all the spice, here you go. Let's see. The chicken. No pepper.
Yeah, right.
I was my meal was white fucking and plus the China was
A little bit I did put. It's hot. Right.
You don't
All
have
right.
milk.
So that's a simple meal.
Yeah. Let's start off now.
Drink your water.
Sherry's not taste that. What Sherry's that taste that joke.
You see my little color? I put a little bit. It's spicy, mommy?
Yes. I thought I was only putting a little bit.
It tastes really good. With the spice? But if you can't eat spice,
No.
Good though.
mm-hmm. Tastes really good with the spice. Woo. Dips. I don't know you don't like spice, yo. It tastes so good.
Chicken.
Without it, it tastes like chicken Alfredo.
Yeah, just have a plain taste. But with the spice eat it up right.
Oh. Hey, the water. Like what did he
Come on, Sherry.
She's struggling over here.
I'll be supposed to act like that, Sherry. I'm alone to eat one pack.
You took the whole thing?
But,
How many? You put one pack?
yeah. Plus the
extra I put in there?
extra. I mean, yes, I'll be supposed to
You're not
act.
sweating? Mine is a little spicy. I put a little bit, but not to that degree. I needed more onions and peppers.
Sherry's a cool ass back tongue.
She was sticking her tongue in the cup of water.
I wish we couldn't taste spice.
I seasoned the chicken good, right?
I didn't taste it.
Woo! You want chicken?
Oh, I already had one. Why do you keep looking at my mom like that? I didn't
You gotta go find some ice cream?
So I can't even imagine what the chip tastes like. This is, woo, God.
Alright, man, so today we here with
No, you can't eat African food,
The
Sherry.
African food, I had African food. It's good, but it wasn't. What I had wasn't spicy.
No, what's
It
good?
was spicy, but I was able to
That
take
goat?
it.
That goat they brought out from the restaurant, when you see that sauce on top of there? She was like, it's spicy. That's for him. I said, what is on the menu that is not spicy? And I had the baked chicken and the sauce was on the side. She was like, it's spicy. I was like, no, thank you. Remember, you couldn't finish the goat. You said you're going to bring it home.
That's a big piece of goat they give me one. It's like a half.
You don't see how African men eat? They
It's like a little giant bone them give me.
It's like climbing a ladder.
Look right there.
No, but this
Yeah, that's
this now
spicy,
not
but that's
climbing.
not. Imagine
As-
putting all
as they
four of
eat
the
this-
spices on top of there. Then maybe it's adequate to the chip.
as they eat this so the spice
Yeah.
they get. Come on, Sherry, say can't do it. It's just
My
like
mother going over.
2 more spoons, Sherry. 2 more spoons.
I'm not even doing it. Oh my goodness.
Yo,
I'm a coward because I wasn't putting that. I already knew I wasn't putting that. I put 2 drops in there on my food.
Cherries?
So it got a little tint of spice to it, and but I tasted the cheese more.
no. Oh, no. I'm not doing,
That's it. Try the noodles. It is spicy if you can manage. My mother, she ate it, but her tongue is on fire. Ben, he, yeah. Husband ate it. Husband ate it like a champ with no problem. You know, he's from Jamaica. Their tongue is different. And Royalty, she's playing around with it. Her father probably will eat it.
Yeah.
So, we're watching what you call on YouTube, how this chip challenge also. But yeah, so try it. Comment down below if you've tried it before, if you're gonna try it, if there's something new I should try also. Let me know. Love you.